Don't be getting attached now, James.
This thing is my kind of clap. This way with that way, this way.
Well, would you look at all this freedom? Oh, freaking late.
The tractor flaps did nothing for keeping the rain out, dude.
They're all bent. I love these things. So cute. Have you had any fly off yet?
No.
We had to like tack our nut on.
We did too, on the inside.
Okay, you did.
Yeah, they started backing off.
Yeah, we
On Ruby, you had to tack it on?
We were in Vegas and Ruby's a wastegate one. Right across
Shut off.
For starters, the track in Vegas like doesn't like us for whatever reason, and James has his tractor flap like flying off at 1,000 foot.
Just leaving hillbilly parts all the way down the track.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's not tight enough.
Good thing you're not going fast.
Yeah, it's alright. Garrett, what do you think about this thing now you've seen it in person?
I mean, the paint, I didn't know the paint was this nice. So, you know, for this to be a burnout car, this is pretty nice. Ooh, I like the dice, the red Kirkies are a really nice touch.
Did you see everything's flex sealed inside, so it'll actually float?
Yeah, that's good, the flex seal in case you end up in Lake Freedom Factory. It'll float. The name is the best part, honestly. Bald Regal is just, couldn't have worked out. Damn, dude, what a unit. Let freedom reign. Is that some nitrous?
No, it's just two-step.
Oh, hell yeah.
Because we're gonna do a little fuel, I think, on it, like you talked about.
Okay.
Get to shoot some flames.
Dude, this is such a unit. I love the mini tractor flaps. And so they just immediately bent when they got hot.
The first burnout.
First burnout.
Yeah.
That's a lot of pressure coming through those units. All right, well, let me grab my camera. I gotta get a video of this.
Do you have these on the website? Tractor flaps?
No. Just head to your local farm implement. It's hard to compete. We need to make some billet ones that'll live, though, apparently.
Yeah, there's some stainless ones.
Yeah, because those start to rust.
You haven't been here since the first time I showed you when it was like
before anybody
hadn't even
saw
cut the grass.
Yeah, nobody'd seen it at that point.
So it's a whole new
Oh
world.
my god, dude, there were like weeds growing in every crack.
Yep. It's a whole new facility now.
Holy cow,
It's pretty sick.
it is so beautiful. Dude, especially like the infield was so dilapidated.
It was so bad.
So bad. The Motion Raceworks sign? I haven't seen that in person yet.
You gotta get a picture from it.
Yeah, we'll do that later. We'll pull the Bald REagle up and...
Yeah. Dude, it's pretty crazy though.
Dude, to think you guys did this in 3 months.
Yeah, it's been fast.
Good job, Cooper.
I didn't plan on doing all this, like the concrete and all that, until later this year, but that guy RG was like, hey, I got some time, let's do it. And I was like, okay.
Send it.
He just showed up with a mill and just started cutting out the old stuff, and I was like, oh my god, this is insane. Yeah, well, we're talking like the pads are gonna be different shapes, so it's gonna be like black shapes all over it. You have to like move it every time.
Yeah, exactly.
Say it's like a square one time, then a more rectangular with a kick off, and then just
different colors because they'll be like worn
and that
stuff.
one area will just get coated in a night, you know. So
you have to scrape it like a drag strip.
Eventually, I feel like we will. Yeah.
The Hoonigan one was like that. It was like this thick, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, Ken Block couldn't even like get his car to do a burnout hardly.
That's how like Summer Nats is. You just feel the squish in the pad.
Sweet.
Putting you to work. I like it.
I'll make myself useful.
Damn. That's James' boat over there. If you guys want to go for a cruise later. Yeah. Keep going. There's like a big patch of weeds right there. There you go.
Put it on the limiter.
It's a good runner right here.
one drives good. This one's the junker.
That one looks better though.
But this one blew up its motor.
I don't think the bottle had anything to do with that in the back.
Somebody took this one off a jump, hit the oil cooler, back into the everything.
You guys gotta know these things like the back of your hand by now.
I try not to.
Ball rEagle though. Rip the ball rEagle, then we'll play neighbor out.
Oh yeah! Oh, fire! Fire!
Get up.
If this is a chemical one, just shove it down in the diaper. And
I think it's out.
Well, the only thing is it chucked a rod, so it's gonna. If it gets
chucked a rod?
Oh.
Yeah, dude. I'm pretty sure it did because all that oil came from somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a lot of oil under her.
Yeah, dude. There's a hole right there. See, look.
Dog, you put a freedom window.
Look right through.
Oh my gosh.
Look right through the motor mount. You see the hole where it's smoking?
Yeah,
out of the motor?
that didn't last long.
To the junkyard we go.
No, I'd say about a third of the way in, it started breathing real heavy.
All
And-
622,000 miles of piston ring gap we're starting to get to
It
her.
really lasted longer than I thought it might.
Dude, it was.
Dude, you were
it was
ripping it.
sending it.
Up on the limiter, I was like, dude, it sounds so good.
That's what it has to do, man.
Dude, that's what it has to do.
So ridiculous.
How hard is it to slap another motor in this thing? Is there anything done besides a cam in this
Just a
thing?
cam, yeah. We'll put a new one out.
That's easy enough. Hell yeah.
Yeah, she got an exit wound.
Oh yeah, you can see the smoke
The
actually.
that smoke's actually coming from outside of the motor.
Brian,
It's
get
that's
this.
coming from the inside of the
Get
motor.
the smoke coming out.
No way, dude.
Dude, it was so savage though, but then you could feel it started running down on power.
See where the smoke's rolling out if you look through the motor mount?
Not good.
That's where the hole went. All that smoke's coming from inside the motor.
You like
Dude,
it?
you almost popped the tires. You're so close.
Dude,
I was so ready to pop the tire.
Dude, the tires were there, dude. So close.
that was freaking awesome.
We didn't even make this. It was good that we did this because otherwise it would have been.
Yeah, you would have done one run. I mean, she did pretty
Those
good, but
tires, whatever they are, buy them because
They're
the
$60,
smoke,
dude.
the
Really?
smoke level, and
they lasted a while.
yeah, and they're pouring smoke on.
What gear is in this thing, do you know?
It's got a 350 gear in it.
Some pretty good wheel speed. I was like, God dang.
Or 389, sorry.
Look at the pipes are steaming hot.
It's so savage.
Did you get any brake fade?
No,
Okay.
I didn't touch the brakes really.
These got really
Yeah.
hot, and they're pretty close.
We fully intended
Dude,
to
Doug
make a
didn't
heat
need
shield.
brakes where he was going.
I was gonna coast to it.
Damn. So what does this mean? Does this mean you have to take her back with you, or are you just gonna swap a motor in the day before the next event?
I think James will find us in the motor. We can swap.
there you go. James will do it.
He told me yesterday he's got the hookup, so
Yeah, I'll get you a motor.
we'll fly down a couple days early and swap her out.
That's what I'm talking
Call
about.
Texas Speed, get a cam coming just in case.
See, guys, we're not the only ones.
I mean, looking at this thing,
we're not the only
it's
ones
about-
with engines up all the time.
probably about a 6-hour job. Pull out, put in. It's
That wasn't so hot, James.
Dude, I seen it start to smoke trail out of the breather. I'm like, oh, she's coming apart. But it lasted a good bit after it started smoking.
It did. I think we could keep driving if we wanted to be honest with you.
I mean, the way it just shut off. Usually when that happens, you got a rod like poking the block just right.
Wedged in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Should we see if it cranks?
you can hit the starter, see what it does. If it just thumps, then you know that it's
Oh yeah.
No, she's spinning. Hit
Oh,
the
was
starter
she?
again, Hit the starter again. Oh, that's it.
She gone.
Sad day. Wah, wah.
No, you're good. The motor is like completely locked up. We tried to hit the starter and it was just bound up.
Oh,
The winch,
man.
we're going faster than the winch.
What a class. That thing's already slowing down, boys.
This isn't gonna work
I
so
would just
hard.
pop that off and we'll just shove it up.
You got jumper
I can
cable?
push it with
Yeah,
neighbor.
we got. Oh yeah, there you go.
I'll just push it with neighbor as long as it's not gonna mess up your switch.
No, send it. We got ourselves a push vehicle, boys. James, you want to steer it?
You ever ridden in a drift car?
No.
Well, I'm not a drift driver, but I'll do my best.
Going for a ride in neighbor around the Freedom Factory. It's our christening.
We make sure everything's solid before we do a full rim. really feel that the suspension just flying around.
I know.
It's feeling spicy today.
Yeah, those were pretty spicy today.
Pretty good.
It's so fast, dude. Donnie couldn't keep up with this yet.
No shot. Makes
What do
like
you
double
think?
the power.
Dude, I gotta build a drift car now. Just less than 600.
It was just silence. I didn't hear a peep from you the whole ride. I was like, oh, he's riding.
Well, I didn't want to be the one screaming like a girl.
All right. Are the tires done?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're quartered on the outside, completely bald across it.
It goes about cooked.
Oh,
they're
so they're
quartered.
good.
Yeah, dude, they don't want to ride. I thought that last one you're coming in a little spiky. I thought you were going to 360 it.
I was going to, but I knew I didn't have any grip.
Well, guys, it didn't quite go as planned. As you could imagine, with a 622,000 mile motor, it was on borrowed time. It was just on a little less time than we originally thought. So we got her loaded up. We're going to take it up to Cleetus' shop, swap the motor out in the next week or so, probably grab another junkyard motor and have it ready for the June 20th Burnout Rivals. If you guys haven't heard about that, it's a pay-per-view happening on June 20th, so definitely tune in. We will be back. This thing is a beast, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in, guys.